Welcome to the online class of English Literature. My dear students of grade 7, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Here's your teacher, Mrs. Naula. Today we are going to do the activity of comprehension for the short story Duffy Jacket. This short story you will find in the slot number 2 of Unit 2. The short story Duffy Jacket has been authored by Bruce Covey. During our today's online lecture, the students will learn how to comprehend the text. They will be able to answer the questions accordingly. So very clearly we have drawn the parameters and objectives for our today's lesson. Before we move towards the formal section of comprehension, I want to make one point very clear. Without having a thorough and absolute understanding and reading of the text, it is quite impossible to do the comprehension. Whether you are reading any literary masterpiece or it is an article from a newspaper, the comprehension will reach the point of completion only once it has been read thoroughly. Without going through any text completely, comprehension will not yield very productive results. So it is advisable to all the students to give a complete time, to give a consolidated duration of time to any masterpiece of literature, so that you will be able to do the question and answers very conveniently and easily. Now here is our question number 1. What kind of things Duffy used to forget? What kind of things Duffy used to forget? And this is the answer. Duffy used to forget his suitcase, jacket, glasses, coat, radio, wallet and book. I will repeat. What kind of things Duffy used to forget? The answer. Duffy used to forget his suitcase, jacket, glasses, coat, radio, wallet and book. Question number 2. What is Duffy known for doing all the time? What is Duffy known for doing all the time? And this is a brief answer. Duffy is known for being forgetful about his things. Duffy is known for being forgetful about his things. Very clearly, you can correlate question number 1 with question 2 and vice versa. Question 3. How do the characters first learn about the sentinel? And this is the answer. Actually, first Andrew sees a message, beware of the sentinel. Later, he shares it with his mom and aunt. Actually, first Andrew sees a message, beware of the sentinel. Later, he shares it with his mom and aunt. The narrator of the story is Andrew. He is 15 years old. When he, along with his other family members, was going from one room to another of the cabin, he saw a message very clearly drawn on the wall. The message was read as, beware of the sentinel. I will repeat the answer. Actually, first Andrew sees a message, beware of the sentinel. Later, he shares it with his mom and aunt. Question 4. What did Duffy and his cousins decide to avoid the sentinel? What did Duffy and his cousins decide to avoid the sentinel? And this is the answer. They decided to go outside and upstairs, stay in the kitchen and hide in the barn to avoid the sentinel. They decided to go outside and upstairs, stay in the kitchen and hide in the barn to avoid the sentinel. Question 5. Who are the main characters in the story? And this is the answer. The main characters are the story's narrator Andrew, his sister Mary, Duffy, Andrew's mom, Duffy's mom Alice, and the sentinel. These are the 6 main characters in the short story Duffy's Jacket. I will repeat. The main characters are the story's narrator Andrew, his sister Mary, Duffy, Andrew's mom, Duffy's mom Alice, and the sentinel. We do not have any clear information about the fathers of Duffy and Andrew, who are 15 years old. So far, this is everything about the comprehension. I hope you will have written all these questions and answers in your notebooks. See you next time with a new lesson. Till then, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.